Hi, my name's Dan Francis. I'm the UK Education Strategy Manager for Rockschool. Music technology is an intrinsic part of our society, and children and young people are engaging with music technology in lots of different ways, in loads of different contexts all the time. So the music production syllabus gives the opportunity for those students that really want to go and be producers in the creative industries in however many years' time. It gives them the opportunity to develop the skills and the understanding that they need. Likewise, it can be for any student that is currently playing the piano or playing the guitar or singing or just a little bit interested in making music. It gives them the opportunity to develop their skills, enhance their portfolio. There's a wide range of skills that you develop through the music production syllabus, not just about how to be a music producer and how to record your own beats onto a digital audio workstation, not just how to manipulate those sounds, but there's aspects of notation, there's aspects of understanding how waveforms work, and there's an understanding of hardware. So if you're a studio engineer, you can talk to the performer and vice versa, because you understand what microphones you're using, where you're putting them, where you're plugging them in, and then how to finesse that sound after the event. The 60% coursework tasks are professional scenarios, so while they can be used as coursework tasks towards, say, GCSE and vocational qualification briefs, they're also briefs that fit with real life scenarios, so that if you are a musician, a producer going into the creative industry, these are the sorts of tasks that you'll be given to do. Learning how to be a music producer is learning how to be a musician. And it's benchmarked so that a grade 3 guitarist, a grade 3 bass player, a grade 3 music producer, we all understand what that means. And then you can share ideas and share your musical knowledge, your musical understanding and your musical experience and learn off each other. And that's a really, really exciting thing about being a young musician.